students, how are you? I hope you're fine. So I'm telling you about your result, but later. Firstly, I want to tell you a very informative update regarding your Delhi University. You are a student of Delhi University. You should aware about it, and I think everyone have listened about it. Have you listened? And I'm telling you that Mr. Yogesh Tyagiji, about Mr. Yogesh Tyagiji. Yogesh Tyagiji, who was an Indian academic, and 22nd Indian academic of Delhi University. But President of India said that he can't maintain their duty properly. So, thus, uh, President of India had said that you have to not do duty, and President of India has suspended to Mr. Yogesh Tyagi. Now why, how, you can see latest update in Google. Conclusion is that during misconduct, and you know what, he was in Ames Hospital admitted. He was admitted in Ames Hospital from 1st of July 2022 till date. I don't know what was date, but he was admitted in Ames Hospital, and he was not coming properly in Delhi University. He was not doing properly duty, and you know what happened? He appointed a lady. What was her name? Geeta Joshi. Geeta Bhatt. Sorry, Geeta Bhatt. He appointed Geeta Bhatt, and I don't know what was vacant sheet. What was the vacant seat as a professor? I think so. And Mr. Joshi ji, who was capable for this post, he said, Mr. Tyagiji said that no, you have to not do this work. You are not able for this, and Miss Bhatt ji has appointed for this. And this all misconduct, Mr. Jha ji saw this all misconduct things, and then he filled a petition, and he made application, and then they decided to, among all senior persons, that Mr. Tyagi is not doing properly work, and he is not coming on duty properly, and some more cases are applicable over that person, Mr. Tyagi ji. And what happened in you know OBC seats were vacant. I think 300 OBC seats were vacant in Delhi University, but from 2000, since 2016 until now, they were vacant. So that was very sad news. Everybody is searching a job here and there, who were applicable, who were capable for that. Why 3 years has passed, but what happened? That seats were vacant. Why? That was question was creating inside of everyone, and so conclusion is that President of India has said that you are not able to for this job. So that was matter of Mr. Tyagi. Now I'm telling you about your result. So students, listen carefully. I'm telling you about your result. Your result, among this matter, your result, your result will show later, because of now a new matter has been seen by everyone, and everybody know now. Before 31st of October 2020, your result will not appear on the website. Yeah, this is true. And your result, you can see your result after in mid of November 2020, you can say around approximate 10th of November 2020. It can be before it can be before 10th of November, or it can be after 10th of November, but before 15th of November your result will come, your result will show, your result will upload on the website. So this is very bad news for you, SOL students. Especially I'm talking about a school of open learning students. And just that was update regarding your result and all. And if you visited in this channel first time, please subscribe this channel and don't forget press bell icon. Thank you very much.